If money often feels like a source of stress, uncertainty, or confusion, you're not alone. But the truth is, financial freedom isn't just for the wealthy. It's for anyone willing to learn smart habits, make consistent choices, and build a foundation that leads to long-term stability. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start moving toward financial independence step by step. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Financial Freedom, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes& Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Financial freedom means having control of your money instead of letting your money control you. It's the ability to cover your needs, reduce financial anxiety, and make choices that align with your goals. Today, we'll walk through 7 essential steps to help you take charge of your financial journey. Step number 1, know your numbers. The first step toward financial freedom is understanding exactly where your money is going. Most people underestimate their spending and overestimate their savings, which keeps them stuck. Start by tracking your income, expenses, debts, and savings for at least one full month. You can use apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook. The goal is to get a clear picture of your financial habits. Imagine discovering that you spend $200 a month on takeout or subscriptions you barely use. That awareness alone can help you redirect that money towards saving, investing, or paying off debt. Knowledge is power, and knowing your numbers is the foundation for every financial decision that follows. Step number 2, create a simple, sane budget. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. A good budget tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Choose a budgeting method that fits your lifestyle. The 50-30-20 rule, where 50% goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt, is an easy starting point. Think of a budget like a roadmap. If your goal is financial freedom, your budget keeps you driving in the right direction. And just like GPS, you can adjust your route anytime. Step number 3, eliminate high-interest debt. Debt is one of the biggest barriers to financial freedom. High-interest debt, like credit cards or payday loans, drains your income and limits your opportunities. Make a plan to pay off debt using either the debt snowball method, paying off small balances first, or the debt avalanche method, paying off the highest interest rates first. Both work. The key is sticking with it. Imagine lifting a heavy backpack off your shoulders. That's what it feels like when you eliminate debt. You free up money, mental energy, and your future. Step number 4, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, medical bills show up, appliances fail. And without an emergency fund, those moments can derail your finances overnight. Start with a small goal, like saving $500. Then work your way up to 1 month of expenses and eventually 3 to 6 months. Keep this money in a separate savings account that's easy to access but not tempting to touch. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind. It turns financial crises into simple inconveniences instead of panic-inducing disasters. Step number 5, start investing early and even small amounts count. Investing is how you build real wealth over time. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. You just need consistency. Learn the basics of index funds, retirement accounts, and compound interest. For example, investing just $100 a month can grow into tens of thousands of dollars over time thanks to compounding. Think of investing like planting a tree. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. Your future self will thank you. Step number 6, increase your income streams. Budgeting and saving are powerful, but increasing your income can accelerate your financial freedom dramatically. This could mean leveling up your career, starting a side hustle, offering freelance services, selling items you don't use, or developing passive income streams. For example, if you make an extra $300 a month from tutoring, freelancing, or online work, that money could go straight to debt repayment or investments, speeding up your journey by years. Multiple income streams reduce financial stress and protect you from unexpected setbacks. Think of it as diversifying not just your investments, but your life. Step number 7, build financial habits that last. Financial freedom is not a one-time project. It's a lifestyle. Small habits repeated consistently have the biggest impact on your long-term financial success. Review your spending weekly. Adjust your budget monthly, invest regularly, pay off debt steadily, celebrate small wins. Imagine treating finances like fitness. You don't get strong by going to the gym once, you get strong by showing up again and again. The same is true for money. Build habits that support your goals, and financial freedom becomes not just possible, but inevitable. Here's how a single month of applying these steps might look. Week 1. Track every dollar you spend. Review your income and list your debts. Week 2. Build a simple budget and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Week 3. Put $100 toward paying off debt and start an emergency fund with another $50. Week 4. Open an investment account and automate a small monthly contribution. By the end of the month, you've created clarity, control, and momentum. The 3 building blocks of financial independence. Even small steps add up fast when you stay consistent. HowExpert Tip: automate your money. Here's a pro-level technique. Automate everything you can. Set up automatic transfers to your savings, investments, and bills. Automation removes temptation, saves time, and ensures your money moves where it needs to go without relying on willpower. We're all busy. Automation makes financial discipline effortless. Financial freedom is not about perfection, it's about progress. Understanding your money, making intentional choices, and building habits that support your goals. When you follow these steps consistently, you develop control, confidence, and the ability to create the life you want. Your challenge. This week, complete step number 1. Track everything you spend for 7 days. Notice patterns, identify leaks, build awareness. This single step will set the foundation for every financial decision that follows. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Financial Freedom, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.